Hi, I am Kajer on two wheels, and today we'll do a quick first ride on the MT-09 SP. Now this isn't quite a first ride because I have taken this for a really short 500-meter spin, and I'm just taking it home to get ready for doing the actual review. So this will be just a short video just on the first time I ride it, and holy fuck! This is a crazy bike. You have no idea. I was really expecting that after riding so many bikes, let's put it into mode 1. Why can't I change modes? Oh, I need to off throttle. Okay, mode 1. I always thought that after riding much more powerful bikes, this would now feel a bit tamer and easier and less exciting. Well, not quite. Check this out. This is crazy! Oh, quick shifter also works downshifts? That is amazing! Why do I need a clutch lever? Oh yeah, to start without flipping backwards everywhere. Holy freaking cow! Oh, pretty cool, look. Green down arrow when it's time to shift down, or green up arrow when it says it's okay to shift up. That's pretty cool. Unfortunately, it is so small I am never going to look at it. This is absolutely amazing! Why is this bike so exciting? Or terrifying, depends. Terrifying, yes. Whoa, what the f... I have just looked down and saw that I was going about twice as fast as I thought I was. I never exit that turn at much more than, say, 80, 90. I'm pretty sure I got out of that at least 110. Okay, let's really make it hard. Oh, okay, yeah. that's not, yeah, not a good idea. Oh, come on, don't, here, seriously? For fuck's sake. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. Kajer out.